Look at that rain in Zagreb. Our bus, whoa, so much rain. And again the airplane. And getting fast into the bus. And here we are arriving at Zagreb Airport. You see rain, rain, rain. It's easy to navigate here, as you can see. Everything there, toilets and signs, very good. Airport, really easy to navigate, as I said. And here is the exit. Welcome to Zagreb. There should be a shuttle into town. I see it already over there. Look there, Autobus, airport shuttle, perfect. Let me have a quick tour of the airport. Zagreb Airport at Christmas time. The visitor center. Coffee shop over there. So quite small as well. We'll go out here. First of all, again, for you. Arrival at Airport Zagreb. And we check a bit outside. Should be to the right, the airport shuttle. Oh, nice, the coffee shop outside as well. A lot of parking. Christmas tree, super. Let's find the shuttle. Must be somewhere here. On this side, they said, getting out here. This is Zagreb Airport from outside. I will check for the shuttle. If not, we'll go on the top floor. No shuttle yet there. So what we do, we go up here to give you an overview of the airport. Departures upstairs, up here. So let's go up. So you can see how you can navigate at Zagreb Airport. This is departure. Down there is arrival. As I just said. And let's see how does the departure gate look like. There's an airport shuttle here. Wow, this is beautiful, and this is departure. Look at that, you have cakes and bakes. So everything very, very easy to navigate, as you can see. Impressive. See, exit, we are going back out. Again, there you can get some newspapers, but we are going to go out again. This is the airport shuttle. I guess he's driving down now, so I will go down again. That's the airport shuttle, as you can see. I will go down here again. And also look on this side, amazing. So a lot of parking space, it seems, and a beautiful Christmas tree. And I will look now for the airport shuttle. It was this way out. They said it would come. So again, you have here the visitor center, currency exchange, ATMs. Be careful, never take ATMs only, and currency exchange only go to local banks. Okay? Because then the rates, the fees are much lower if you go to Croatian banks. Yeah? ATMs, very expensive. The airport shuttle is coming over there. I will get it now. And this is again the airport here in Split. And there comes the airport shuttle. I will go over there now to catch the airport shuttle. Here it is. So you see it's very uncomplicated. Airport shuttle directly at the entrance of the airport. And super easy to navigate at the airport here in Zagreb. And you can put the luggage down here. If you have heavy luggage, all no problem. The driver is very, very kind. And again, here you see the airport of Zagreb. Franjo Tuđman. And I'll leave you with this view. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to the channel, share the videos on social media, and give a like and leave comments from where you are watching. I love to hear from you. And I'll leave you with this beautiful I will take now the shuttle. The shuttle bus is 8 euros to the bus station in Zagreb. And the airport shuttle is leaving Zagreb Airport. We arrived at the central bus station in Zagreb, and it has been a ride about 45 minutes. It's 8 euros, and this is the central bus station of Zagreb in the rain. Look at that, and welcome to Zagreb. And let's see what's going on at the bus station here in Zagreb, the central bus station. Welcome to Zagreb in the rain in Advent time. Thank you. And here we are, central bus station. And let's check what's going on here. The entrance is over there. That is the bus.